Hey everyone, it's Melody with Design by Melody here, and I'm here today to share this huge stash kit that I created quite some time ago. I have my empty Antonia's tray. This is from IKEA. This is what it looks like. It says, can you read it? It says, no, you still can't read it? There you go, Antonia's. There you go, Antonia's. You can see it. Alright, so I'm going to sort this kit into here as we go. Now there are two things I am adding to this kit. I'm adding these rub-ons because I'm not entirely sure that they're even any good, but I'm going to see if they are. And then I'm also adding a whole pile of white scrap cardstock just to use. I always pull white scrap cardstock when I'm working with any kit. Whether I share that with you or not, I always have it at hand because I'm always using, you know, white cardstock to mat photos or to stamp on or anything like that. So I always have that ready just in case. So we're going to look through here and I'm going to put it in the tray here as we go. And then this will be the kit that I work with for the next couple layouts. I'm never going to kill this kit. It's too massive to even try to do that. But I can at least make a couple things with it. I'm going to set our bag aside. And I don't think there was a huge rhyme or reason to some of these. These, I believe, are all Studio Calico cards. Yep, that's exactly what they are. Right here, Studio Calico. I'm going to get rid of that because that's not how I sort these anymore. So I have a ton of these. Holy moly. Okay. A ton. Okay, I don't even need that. That's like the title card for ordering another kit. So let's just go ahead and get rid of that. Alright, let's put all of our Project Life cards in here, and they are just, I think it's every single Studio Calico branded card I had. Like, it's not even, there's no even, like, particular theme. It's just all of them. So let's put those in there. I'm going to try to get all the cards together. Okay. I have a couple paper pads here. Okay, here are all the 4x6 cards. Oh, I had a couple tags. Okay, here are all the 4x6 cards. Again, that is a title card for the kit. These are all the 4x6 cards. Those are going to go right in here as well. All right, I've got two white tags. I've got a journaling tickets, die cut embossed, like pull apart sheet. There we go. Got that. I've got a Chamel sticker sheet that's got an alpha at the bottom as well as some word stickers. Got two different washi tapes here. This is kind of a die cut washi tape, and then this is a silver polka dot one. I've got my Amy Tangerine little word stickers here. I'm going to go ahead and take those out of the package. I've got, that one's almost used up, but I've got a lot of those. Actually, I'll leave that in the package. I don't know if the word stickers are going to come off the sheet or not. This was a 12x12 piece of paper that I cut apart, and it was pink, like tone-on-tone Scrabble tiles, and I used that for titles, so I've got those. I've also got, oops, oh, whole little goodie bag here. I've got some little wood veneer pieces. I've got two little Doodlebug design black tiny micro clips, and then a square clip, as well as some cork plus signs, and then a little sequins pack. So that'll go in here. Okay. Got my Tim Holtz Ideology word stickers. I've got a Freckled Fawn Puffy Alpha, and there's not a whole lot left on here. Got that. Got some planner stickers here. And then some word stickers here. These are Studio 112 from Joann's. I have got, let's see. I've got some rub-ons. Some alpha rub-ons. Just these. There's a lot of numbers left. I've got some thickers, some foam thickers, and it doesn't look like I've used an ampersand. That is it. Oh, and a 1. These are called Eclair in black. I've got a polka dot alpha here. I feel like that might have been an Echo Park one. I've got an LA Studio light pink alpha. Got lots of alpha options, which is nice. I've got some papers that I had already cut apart, it looks like. Got some scraps. Look at that, white cardstock. I told you guys, I always pull white cardstock. And these actually look like they were cards that were cut down. Alright, so let's add this in here. Okay, I was using apparently the Family Ties Photo Play 12 by 12 kit. I'm no longer keeping those in kits, collection kits. So I will throw that title page away, but we've got the sticker sheet, we've got the alpha stickers, and then we've got the papers, and it looks like some of these have already been cut into. Not all of them. I love that paper. I feel like I would fussy cut it. Oh, I've got some black rhinestones. These are pieces that I have trimmed down. Got some 4 by 6 cards, it looks like, that I had cut out. This is the cut apart sheet, one of them. Here's just a 12 by 12 paper. Here's a cut apart sheet. Oh, and I was using this to cut out a lot of the word sticker, or the words. And this was cut out of the background. I had used that as a background, and so I just cut the center out so I could use it again. I've got the Yuletide alpha letters. Okay. We've got a whole pack of die cuts. We've got the Everyday Gin Hadfill paper pad. Got it here. We've got the Carolina Moon Studio Calico paper pad. That's from May 2015. I've got some die cut, or dies here, die cuts here. They're navy with gold on them. Let's see. Trying to keep this organized in my bin here. Got a Pink Fresh Studio Indigo Hills die cut pack. I'm just going to dump that in here. When I'm done working with this, I'll sort that back out. Okay, I don't remember what I was saying because the phone rang and made my iPad shut off because it rings through my phone rings through the iPad. But either way, I have got it all in this bin. I've got this bag full of die cuts, so I'm going to dump those in here as well. And then, like I said, I keep the packaging for these. So after I am done working with this kit, I will sort those Pink Fresh Studio ones back out. And then the rest of these will just go in with my miscellaneous die cuts because these were just pulled from random things I had. These weren't actually pulled from packages, I don't believe. I've got rubber pieces, I've got vellum, I've got die cuts, I've got tags. I've got, this was cut from Cricut. We've just got a lot. Paper, fussy cut pieces. There's a lot in here and a lot to work with. So that'll be in there. Alright, and then the very last thing is this. And as you can see, all the stickers kind of came apart as I used them. So, yeah. We're going to have to just go ahead and call this one done because the things aren't usable on them anymore. They just keep ripping and folding as you pull them off. So this one's actually going to be called done. It's a Momenta sticker sheet. Sometimes things just get old and you can't use them anymore, and this is one of those. So this is going to actually be called done for now. And then I've got my entire kit here. It's right here. I've got the rub-ons that I said I was adding in. I've got my scrap pieces of paper here ready to use. These are my scrap pieces of white cardstock that'll go back here. Got a couple larger pieces of white cardstock in case I need them, so they're going to go with the larger pieces of paper. And then this is just going to go right here in the top of my Rascot cart right next to me, and I'll be ready to scrapbook. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed seeing this stash kit. This is one that I put together quite some time ago, and I didn't even realize it was in the ottoman whenever I cleaned out the ottoman during my reorganizational project that I've been working on. So, this is the kit that I'll be working with, at least for, you know, 1 to 2 layouts. Maybe more if I feel pretty inspired by it. I'm not really sure if I will. It's very blue and pink, and I don't know, I haven't really scrapbooked a lot of just blue and pink here recently. I've been working with a lot of Pocket Life kind of style kits. And so this will be a little bit different. This is more of a 12 by 12 and pocket style kit. So we'll see what comes out of this. Okay, I hope you guys have enjoyed. I'll talk to you later. Bye.